What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here, back with another video. In this video, what I want to do and what I want to cover is I want to show you how I make money with a small YouTube channel. Now, if you're looking at my YouTube channel right here, the Homemade Entrepreneur YouTube channel, first off, if you haven't already done so, smash that like button and also subscribe. Now, I'm not talking about this channel. This channel would not be considered a small YouTube channel. I have over 1,000 videos on this channel. I have over 100,000 subscribers. I'm talking about some of my other channels. What you probably don't know is this is only one of my channels. I have over 30 YouTube channels that I create content for almost on a weekly basis, all right? So, how do you make money with a small channel? That's the question everyone's asking. Here's a stat or a fact that you need to know, all right? Most YouTube creators never make a single dollar online. They just don't. They put videos online for fun, for entertainment purposes, and never monetize that video or their channel in any way. What I want to show you today is how I make money efficiently and run over 30 YouTube channels and make money on almost every single one of them. Alright, so if that's what you're interested in, that's what you want to know, stick around. One of the questions that I'm always being asked is, does it take a large following, a lot of subscribers to make money? And no, it doesn't. Okay, I've made money on a YouTube channel before I ever had one single subscriber. Okay, it doesn't happen often. I think it's only happened one time, but I ended up making about $6. Okay, not a lot of money, but like I said, most YouTubers, probably 95, 98%, somewhere around there, never make a single dollar online. So because of that, for me to make $6 off a YouTube channel that was brand new, didn't even have one single subscriber, that's huge. So what I want to show you today is how you can make money from a small YouTube channel. So first, let me explain my process, okay? There's going to be 4 parts here. The first thing I do when I create a new YouTube channel or a video, what I try to do is I create a landing page. And you may not be really familiar with what a landing page is. A landing page, and I'll put a link down in the description box below to one of my landing pages where I show you, and it's a 20-30 minute long video where I show you how to make $500 every single month, okay, by creating one single YouTube video. If you haven't seen that, haven't gone through the training, again, I'll put a link down below, go and check it out. But inside that training, okay, this is essentially a landing page. You land on that page, and then I collect your name and email address, okay, which I'll send you emails later on. But with that name and email address that you give me, I'm able to send you the free training, okay? So that's the purpose of the landing page, is I now have your name and email address. I can market to you later on. I could send you a link to my next video. All this stuff, if you want to learn how to create a landing page, okay, I'll put a link down in the description box below to show you, okay, how to do it. And it's all inside my Homemade Affiliate Academy. It's normally $25 a month, but I'll put a link down in the description box below so you can get it for $18 off. So it comes out to $7 a month, and you can cancel this at any time. So if you want to learn how I create landing pages, the software I use, what I recommend you do, go and check that out. Again, the link will be down in the description box below. Now, here's the benefit of a landing page, is I create this page where people will click onto it. So just like I explained to you, if you want to learn how to make $500 per month from a single YouTube video, go and check out this link. That link is essentially a landing page, like I mentioned already. So you go to this page, you put in your name and email address, you land on it, and then I will follow up with you. I'll send you different emails, send you different recommendations, tools I use, products I use, courses I've either made or I recommend. And inside those emails, okay, if you click on one of those links and you buy my product or this product or whatever, I will make a small percentage or I'll make a commission from it. So because of that, that is the first thing I do to make money off a small channel, is I don't rely 100% on just YouTube giving me views. I rely on myself. I rely on my marketing expertise to get in front of people. And I do this through a landing page. Now, once I have that landing page created, the next thing I want to do is I want to create the videos. So how do I create videos on a small channel to ensure they get views? Well, what I like to do is I create SEO friendly titles. If you don't know how to do this, if you're not sure the process behind it, again, I talk about this over inside the Homemade Affiliate Academy. Again, Get $18 off by using that link and the discount code that I put in the description box below. But by creating SEO friendly titles, what happens is you target easy to rank for titles or keywords, which means you have less competition. You still have a decent amount of search volume, which means hopefully you'll get some views from people making searches on YouTube. The biggest mistake that I see many small YouTubers making is they do the same thing over and over. Vlog number 1, vlog number 2, day eating spaghetti, my daily routine. Okay, those are very competitive. Vlog number 1. How many people do you think have a video titled vlog number 1? Do you think somebody comes in to a vlog and thinks, oh, I want to buy this new computer. I want to buy this new iPhone. I want to buy a course on how to lose weight. No, nobody does that. They're just there to see the vlog for entertainment purposes, and that's it. So if you want to make money and you have a small YouTube channel, the first thing you need to do, okay, outside of creating that landing page so you have a way to sell to people later on, is you need to, absolutely need to, 100%, you need to target easy to rank for keywords. And that's where SEO friendly titles really comes in. All right. So if you don't know how to do that, you can always ask your questions down in the comment section below. You can always look on YouTube and just type in how to find easy to rank for keywords. Okay. Just type that in on YouTube and you can see that. Or what I recommend, and I'll walk you through the process, is go over to the Homemade Affiliate Academy, join, like I said, for $18. For $18 less, there's a discount code down below for only $7 a month. And I teach you all this stuff, all right? So if you haven't done so, go and do that now. And the next thing you need to do when it comes to making money from a small YouTube channel is give away a free gift. Give a free gift that has immense value. You're probably thinking, okay, what kind of gift can I give? I've talked about this many times before. I also talked about on inside the Homemade Affiliate Academy, but a free gift is essentially, like I just explained, the free training where I show you how to make $500 per month creating one single YouTube video. Okay, that is a free gift. I'm offering you value. I'm showing you how to make money, how to save time, okay, and I'm showing you the entire process all in a free video. That's the value of giving away a free gift, is they land on this landing page because they have looked up a video. They search for, how to lose belly fat for, single moms, right? Let's say that's what they look for. And they found your video where you have a landing page that offers a 30-minute training of how to lose belly fat for single moms, right? Exactly what they want. Cool. So what do? They go put in their name and email address, get that free gift, do the training, do this free workout, okay, are starting to lose weight, feeling better about themselves, and then what happened? Now they're looking for the next thing. Okay, I'm losing weight, but now I need to find better fitting clothes. I want to go on a vacation. I want to go get the next workout. I want to do all this stuff. So what do? Well, now you have their name and email address. So as a small channel owner, what I would do, I'd create an additional video, and then I'd send out an email to my list, to my email list that I've collected by giving away this free gift on my landing page. And what happens is maybe I only have 5, 10, 50 people on this list, but now I send them the next video and let them know, hey, if you haven't seen this on my YouTube channel, go and check it out now. While you're there, make sure you subscribe if you haven't done so. And also, here's a discount code for a course that I created, or a workout program that I have, or a coaching call that I do every single week to keep you motivated. So by sending out an email later on, that's essential. That's what I do as a small channel owner, is I try to stay in front of, try to get in front of my viewers, my potential clients, my potential customers. And if you do this, after every single video that you create, you're gonna make more money. So like I said, I email my list often. I may not have the best videos out there. I may not do that. I may not have the best quality video, the best lighting, the best audio, whatever. But the content that I provide inside the video is pure gold. It is valuable. So what I like to do, and again, I believe I'm offering a service. I believe I'm offering something that's benefiting other people, just like I do here on this channel. You may come here and you'd be like, well, I saw a video just like that. Okay, same thing, right? But there's people that haven't seen that style of video. They haven't seen that way to make money online. So I try to show them that video, show them that strategy. I'm not making any money by showing people a free way to make money, but other people are making money. And eventually they may come back. They may buy something now that they have more money. Just think, if you're teaching somebody how to lose weight, okay, and that's what your title is, how to lose weight fast. You create a landing page where somebody comes in and they're like, wow, okay, this is a free guide on how to lose weight in 7 days, how to lose 5 pounds in 7 days. Cool, I'm going to go get that free guide. So you give away that free gift, which is pure value. And then later on, they feel better, right? They lost a little bit of weight, but now you're going to send out an email where you're going to not only tell them how to lose weight, but what items they should be eating on a daily basis to strengthen their core, to make sure their skin is tight, okay? You need to make sure that they know what they can do with their outdated clothing, their clothing that just doesn't fit. Do they sell it, throw it away, give it away? What should they do? Give them advice, give them help, give them the next steps. Because if you can give somebody the next step, what happens is they usually follow through. Like I said, if you don't know how to do any of this stuff, I show you how to do all this stuff inside the Homemade Affiliate Academy. And again, it's $18 off by using that link down in the description box below. And it comes out to only $7 per month. Alright? You can cancel that anytime. Anytime you want to. If you don't like what's in there, cancel it, and there you go. You don't have to pay anything else. Did you notice, okay? You probably noticed, but did you notice I didn't mention creating multiple videos a day? I didn't talk about making, 5 to 7 videos per week. I didn't talk about that stuff as to how I make money from a small YouTube channel. Here's the reason why. You want to focus on the quality of the content, obviously, but you also want to focus on building the back-end stuff first. That is the landing page. That is the email sequence. Again, if you don't know how to do any of this stuff, I show you how to do all this stuff inside the Homemade Affiliate Academy. Okay? Or just come onto YouTube and, the Homemade Affiliate Academy, do you need it? No. Is it going to save you time? Absolutely yes. Okay? I walk you through the different processes. Okay? I walk you through the strategy that I'm showing you here, but I walk you through it. It's going to save you probably 5 to 10 hours. Instead of searching for all this stuff on YouTube, just go take the Homemade Affiliate Academy. Okay? It's going to cost you less than $1 an hour. Right? So, here's what I recommend you do. Focus on the back end stuff. Okay? The landing page, the email sequence, okay? Nurturing your audience, building your videos, building your library of videos on your YouTube channel. You don't need 100 or 1,000 videos on YouTube in order to make a decent income. Okay? I have a couple channels right now, and I have let's not talk about my channels, okay? Let me talk about some of my students' channels. One of my students, okay, she did about $7,000 in her first month on YouTube. Here's how she did it. She focused on building a network of people. She focused on building an audience that was engaging. She focused on building her audience not just on YouTube, but on Facebook and Instagram as well. What ended up happening is she found a course that she could promote. It wasn't one of mine. She found some other course. Okay, I'm not going to give her niche or give her topics away, but she found a different course that she was going to promote, and it was a $1,500 course where she'd make 70%. Okay, 70% of $1,500. That's really good money. And so she was going to promote this. And the way she did it was she nurtured her email list. She let them know how she can help. She offered free coaching. She got in front of them. $7,000 in her first month on YouTube. Okay, in her first month. Now most people, that would be life-changing. Okay, for her, it was life-changing. It is going to be life-changing. Okay, she's not done yet. And right now, she's probably like close to 3 months in. I don't know what she's made in the last couple months, but I know first month she made $7,000, right around $7,000. Now, are you going to be able to make $7,000 in 1 month? I have no idea. But right now, when I'm shooting this video, it's April 21st, something like that, April 20th, somewhere around there, and most people are stuck in their house. Okay, the whole world seems to be shut down, especially here in the United States. A lot of things are shut down. Cities are, making people stay at home. Okay, make sure that this pandemic doesn't spread even more. And because of that, you have the time, you have the ability, and a lot of the stuff that I show you how to do, it's free. Okay, I show you how to use YouTube and Instagram and Facebook to get traffic, to build an audience, to build some type of community. Sell to that community by offering valuable content, valuable videos, right? So if you have any questions on any of this stuff, Again, that's what the comment section's for. Let me know where you're at, what you're struggling with. What is your biggest struggle right now on your YouTube channel? What is it? Let me know down in the comment section below. So again, like always, hopefully you enjoyed today's video and you learned something. If you're going to use the strategies that I just showed you to create some type of income off your YouTube channel, make sure you smash that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys on the next one.